Hey guys, it's Drea. So I decided to start doing a new declutter series. I've been feeling the urge to declutter for a while. It's not that I want to get rid of things, it's more that I just can't function in my collection right now because there's too much stuff. I can't see the stuff I really loved for all the, you can't see the forest for the trees type thing. Or is it the other way around? I can't remember. Anyways, this is my lip gloss declutter. I figured this would be a really good place to start because this is a very small portion of my lip products. And I hardly ever use lip gloss. So, when they say savage declutter, I'm expecting this to be pretty savage. There's a whole lot in here that I never wear. All right. So first of all, these are the two Huda Beauty lip strobes. I keep them in the packaging that I purchased them in, except recently I've been taking this one out because this is in my makeup use up. So this is Angelic. This one is called Bougie. There's no way I'm getting rid of those. Those are like my favorite glosses. Another new favorite is definitely this. This is the Fenty Beauty. It's called the Gloss Bomb Fenty Glow. This looks amazing on. Like, there's something special about this gloss. So this is just a mini that I got in a gift set. Keeping that. My NARS Lip Glides. Now I have another one too, which is in my makeup use up project, which is in my purse. So I'm sorry if I sniffle, by the way. I'm sick. So I'm hoping that it's not going to be too disgusting. Anyways, I love these. These feel like gel on your lips. They're more opaque. I would say they're kind of more like a liquid lipstick than a lip gloss, but I'm putting them in here. Anyways, these aren't going to go anywhere. Okay, now we're going to get down to the nitty gritty because pretty much all this is stuff I don't really care for one way or the other. Some of it I might keep for one reason or another. This is the Hard Candy Wet Ever Bold Hold Lip Lacquer. So they come in these big packages. The actual product itself looks really cool. Like, it's got those drips all over it. I just realized that I'm upside down. I don't know how well you guys are gonna like me filming this way. Okay, after this one, I think I might film these differently because I just realized that everything is upside down for you. So I'm just gonna show you these things upside down to me, and hopefully they're the right setup to you. Anyways, I really have not used this. I think I've used this like once. It looks like it's separating in the tube. Okay, the other thing about me being sick is that I can't really smell very well. It's a really pretty color. I think it's okay. I think I'm going to keep this one. No, I'm not going to keep this. What am I talking about? I'm never going to use this. I wore it one time. So, no. We're not going to convince ourselves just because something's pretty. Okay, so that is going to be a goner. This is probably bad by now. All these, in fact I have 3 of these. These Urban Decay Revolution lip glosses are probably the oldest lip glosses in my collection. This one is in the shade Liar. This one is called Failbait, and this one is called Quiver. This was in my makeup use up for last year, not because I wanted to use it up, but I just wanted to try to use it more, and I did use it a few times, but I didn't use it a whole lot because, like I said, I don't use glosses. This packaging is so beautiful though. Like, this is so much nicer than the new Vice packaging they came out with their whatever lip products. Anyways, they should have just kept these, but I'm gonna get rid of all 3 of these because I never use them and they're very, very old. All right, I have, I think 2 Anastasia. Where's the other one? I have 2 Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. This one is in the shade Punchy Red. This one is in the shade Vintage. I'm going to keep both of these. I'm only going to keep this one because of tutorials, because I did actually use this in a tutorial, and I'm not going to keep any other like really, really bright colors, I don't think. Maybe, we'll see. But I'm going to keep that one, and I'm going to keep this one too because I have used this a few times. It smells really amazing. These smell really, really good. This one's called Vintage, which is just like a really nice caramelly color. See, when I swatched that, it reminded me of this. I know it's not the same, but like if I'm gonna wear a neutral gloss, I would wear this one. I wouldn't wear another one. So let's keep that in mind. So I'm gonna keep these 2. Buxom, nope, I hate Buxom. This is Buxom Dolly. People love it, but guys, I can't with the tingliness of it. And plus, this is pretty old too, so I don't really need it. It still smells fine, but I can't even tell you the last time I wore this. The Chosunga 22, this side is like, whatchamacallit, like a lip stain, and then this is a gloss. It's a really beautiful color, like it looks really beautiful on, but this is so old. Like I bought this right when my channel started, so that's a no. Here's another one of the Urban Decay, but this was like a 100-point perk from Sephora. I don't know if they still make this color, but if they make it in their new formula, it's so beautiful. If you're looking for like a bright purple, I love it, but I never wear it, like, to be honest, so of course that's gonna go away. Okay, I bought this pretty recently. I don't think I've worn it yet, but I'm gonna keep it just because I bought it so recently and I would like to wear it, like, even in a video or something. The Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Sassy. Actually, I think I did wear this once because I remember liking that name. So I'm gonna keep that just because there's nothing else like it. Let's grab all the nudes because, like I said, I've got the Huda Beauty, I've got the NARS, and I've got the Anastasia now. I don't need any other nude lip glosses because I have what I need. And the Fenty one, like, I'm not gonna wear them. Okay, so NYX Butter Gloss. Nope, never wear it. These Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxies. Nope, never wear them. Actually, one was like a gift set that I bought myself, and then one was given to me as a gift at some point, but I never wear glosses. This is a Laura Mercier. This actually is really nice, and I have worn it quite a few times, like by itself. It's just like a really nice peachy, glowy gloss with some sparkle in it. It's in the shade Baby Doll. This is like a 100-point perk, but I don't need it. I never wear it. Same with this. I'm pretty sure this was a 100-point perk. This is the Sephora brand Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant, and it's in the shade Perfect Nude. Well, they sure are touting themselves there. I mean, it's fine. It's just like a nude lip gloss, but whatever. Never wear that. And then this is the Tarte Tarteist Glossy Lip Paint. This actually is more of a liquid lipstick. Or is it? I don't know. It's kind of maybe more the consistency of the Anastasia. This was, I think, was it the, oh, this is in the shade Obvi? Was this part of the birthday gift? I can't remember where I got this from now. It smells okay, but whatever. I don't need that. Two purples. Like I said, I really don't wear purples. This one for sure. This is a Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie in the shade Brilliant? I can't really tell. Anyways, never wear that. This one I actually have worn a few times, and I like this formula and nobody ever talks about it. This is the CoverGirl Colorlicious. This is in the shade Plumlicious. This is also fairly old too, so I don't really mind so much getting rid of it. The scent is not really anything. It's actually, oops, it's actually probably more pink than purple, but it's like a bright color. Anyway, it looks nice on. This is actually starting to smell not that great actually. So, but when those are new, the formula is nice. Okay, another Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie. I don't think I've ever worn this. It's got like bright gold glitter in it. This is called Superstar. Well, that is pretty, but I don't know. Do you really need like a glittery lip gloss? I don't even know if you guys can see it. Like, can you see that glitter? It's so pretty in the bottle, isn't it? But let's be honest, I do not need that. This is Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Color Bold Liquid Lipstick, but it's not like a dry down one. It's like a lip stain. So I keep it in here. I don't want to put it on me because it'll stain my hand. I never use this ever, and I don't really particularly like that formula. Same with the Shu Uemura one. Same deal. Oh, that's a pretty color. But it's not, like, it's too streaky to just go on. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's always going to have some kind of streak in it. It's really hard to tell you what the name of this is. Oh, Lock Supreme Shimmer. That's the best you're going to get out of me for that one. Anyway, it's very pretty, but I don't need that. And then this is from Bite Beauty. This is when they first came out with this at holiday. It's in the shade Gold, just gold. And it was all the rage. They, after that, came out with like 4 or 5 of them that were like metallics. But look at this. Like, when they say gold, it is totally like the goldest lip gloss you're ever gonna find. It still smells fine. They say Bite Beauty products are food grade, so they really are only good up to a year, but this still smells like day one, so I'm gonna keep this because again, this is like nothing I own and it's so unique, and I have worn it a few times. It's not like I've never worn it, so I'm gonna keep that. But yeah, I think that is not a bad start to a declutter. All I'm keeping, and this is everything I'm either throwing out because it's too old or giving away to friends. So that's a pretty good savage declutter, I would say, wouldn't you? Yeah, so I'm gonna keep going with my declutters, so subscribe if you haven't yet because there will be more coming. Bye!